we're going to find the set of all points P, X, comma, Y, such that the distance of P from the point is equal to the distance from the line. So this is the equal distance from this point is equal to this line. And we're trying to find all the points. So we're just going to come up with some formula with X and Y in it. So basically, we're going to do the distance for this one. And for this one, let's look and see what this is. If you have X plus 1 equals 0, that's what this is. I just set it to 0. And if you graph this, what this means is that when you subtract 1 from both sides, that means this is X equals -1. So that means this is the distance from 0 is -1. I put -1 here. And the way you set that up, let's set this one up first. We're going to have the square root, and we're going to equal this distance to this distance. So you're just going to write X minus 2 squared plus, that's your 2, and then your Y. Y minus 1 squared equals, now for this distance, you just write absolute value of X plus 1. Right, you set it to 0 and do that. Now let's square both sides. This gets rid of the radicals. So you're going to have X minus 2 squared plus Y minus 1 squared equals, and this piece is going to be X plus 1 squared. It's going to be positive because we're squaring it. All right, and then let's simplify this by expanding. This is X squared minus 4X plus 4. This one's going to be Y squared minus 2Y plus 1. And this piece here expanded, it's going to be X squared plus 2X plus 1. So let's see what happens. The X squares are going to cancel. We still have this Y squared. Let's write that down. The 1's are going to cancel. So let's see about the X's. We have negative 4X, and if you subtract 2X, it's going to be negative 6X. All right, and then what about the Y? We just have this one Y here, so minus 2Y, we got that. And then all we have left is we got that, that's plus 4, equals 0. Now we're going to go ahead and group our Y's together. So that's going to be Y squared minus 2Y equals, and let's put these two terms on the right hand side. So that's 6X minus 4. All right. So for this piece, we're going to have to find all values. Let's complete the square for this. This is going to be Y squared minus 2Y. You take half of that and square it, you get 1. So we're going to do the same thing here. 6X minus 4 plus 1. That means I can write this as Y minus 1 squared equals 6X minus 3. All right, and I'm going to factor out of 3. So that's going to give me Y minus 1 squared equals, and we had 6X minus 3. So I'm factoring out of 3. That gives you 2X minus 1. Therefore, this is the set of all points such that the distance from our point here to our line is given here. This is the set of all the points. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.